Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that I know a lot of you digital marketers will find absolutely game-changing. We're talking about how to skyrocket your affiliate earnings by driving premium website traffic to your offers. Now strap in, because these tips are going to send your traffic stats through the roof. First things first, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. I know, it sounds a bit technical, but hear me out. By optimizing your content with the right keywords and ensuring your site is as user-friendly as possible, you're basically rolling out the red carpet for organic traffic. And guess what? Organic traffic is not just abundant, it's eager and ready to engage with your content. Moving on, let's not underestimate the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and yes, even TikTok can be gold mines for driving traffic. Create compelling, shareable content that resonates with your audience. Use eye-catching images, catchy headlines, and don't shy away from using humor or emotional appeals. Remember, it's all about making those connections. Now here's a spicy tip. Leverage influencer partnerships. This isn't just about finding someone with a bunch of followers. It's about finding the right someone whose audience aligns with your affiliate offers. When these influencers share your content or recommend your offers, their followers listen and boom, your traffic spikes. And last but not least, let's talk about paid advertising. Yes, it's an investment, but platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target your ideal demographic with laser precision. Start small, test what works, and then scale up. It's like fueling your car for a long trip, a necessary step to ensure you reach your destination, which in this case is high affiliate earnings. Alright, that's a wrap for today's crash course on boosting your affiliate earnings by driving premium website traffic. Implement these tips and watch as your traffic and income start to soar. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep pushing those boundaries and stay innovative, folks.